to survive, I'll be honest. Your love ain't it, totally me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your kwabi ule. Nobody dey back at me, she ule. Open up.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy